Hey guys, it's me, Kimberly. This is how we go from drab to fab. So for Joyce's project, we are getting rid of an older leather sofa in burgundy, and we're going to make that room a little bit more transitional, keeping in mind that Joyce really loves the traditional elements. For this project, we did a deep tufted sofa with a sloped arm and then a chair adjacent to that to match. We added a big carpet to ground that space with a champagne coffee table and two champagne end tables with a little bit of a stretcher bar underneath to tie in those transitional elements. We decided to move the TV to the other side of the space and place it on a credenza. A little tip for you guys, cable these days all comes on Wi-Fi, so we didn't have to do any drywall work. She just got the Wi-Fi version of her cable and voila, we moved the TV. Kathy wanted to keep her wine cabinet. It was something special to her, so we had to keep that in mind when working with the space. For the finishes, we wanted to keep it light, airy, and elegant. We bounced off of the fireplace, which was a soft taupey gray. Because gold was trimming her fireplace unit, we decided that gold was going to be our major metal in this space. So we start with the walls, a big, beautiful, slender shaped mirror on top of the fireplace, then a piece of art to the right hand side that had some champagne in it and gold to pick up on our coffee table. On the coffee table, we did a nice big champagne tray with some gold candle holders and a champagne glass vase with some flowers inside, super pretty. On the sofa, we did tone on tone, taupey, beigey, creamy pillows, and the same on the chair. For the end tables, we did two lamps that were with white, which were super pretty with just a tiny bit of gold trim because we didn't want to overdo the gold part. Two sculptures on the right-hand side of the fireplace to balance off the white cabinet on the left. They had sort of the same texture, so it worked out beautifully. I truly believe you should live in rooms you love. Watch our videos and we'll show you how we take our projects to the next level. If you have a space that you would like to get done, don't forget to sign up for our free design program.